action cameras have sent me a V50 Pro. So right here, right now, we're going to unbox this little baby. I don't know very much about this camera. I'm an avid GoPro HERO7 user, so I'm very keen to see how the Asako stacks up to the GoPro HERO7. It's not very fair because this costs probably about a third of the price of this, so it's going to have some limitations, I realise that. I'm very keen to see if it fits the Joby, GorillaPod, Phaotech gimbal. I'm keen to see if the Rode Video Micro will plug in, so yeah, let's see how we go. Got my knife. I've actually heard that these things are notoriously difficult to get out of the packet, so we're going to see in a minute, aren't we? I'm quite amused how similar it is to the GoPro packaging. Yeah, why not? Oh yeah, so it's actually the GoPro packaging kind of, this plastic part sits on top of the box, and this one it seems to be glued on or something. It's got a big made in China at the bottom. I'm going to try and get it from the bottom. That looks easier. That's how you do it. Attack it from the bottom. Leave these side bits alone. So here we go. Very similar to the GoPro packaging. This one's got a whole box full of goodies. Boy oh boy, that's a lot of goodies. Got a twin battery charger. Got a wrist strap. Didn't expect that, with a remote control on it. Okay. Got the back door for the waterproof cover. One good thing is they send you two batteries. They're 1100 milliamp hour, I think, slightly smaller capacity than the GoPro. But GoPro only sends you one. Asako sends you two. Good on you. I've got a funny looking clamp here. Got similar to the GoPro attachment where you would stick it on virtually anything. Got actually this is the male component which goes into the female component which has a sticky pad which will stick onto virtually anything. Got a Asako proprietary little, I don't know what you call that, clamp thing. Got a, looks like a gimbal holder, that's a good sign. More gimbal holders. Got the case, which is actually quite flimsy looking, but I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. We'll find out. Got some more little holder thingies. Got an adjustment spanner. Got a, this is the old fashioned, it's not the mini HDMI or UVC, USB-C. It's the old, I can't even remember what you call them, but yeah, GoPro don't go for those anymore. I think they went out with the Hero 3 or 4. Got a few little straps here. Got another little clamp. Got a we want to hear from you. Get a free accessory. They'll send you a harness or a floaty or, wow, an SD card. Actually, that's one thing missing with this camera is they don't send you an SD card. I thought that's the one thing they should be putting in. Finally, we're at the bottom of the box. Curiously, they send you 4 cable ties. Don't know what they're for, and a cleaning cloth, a couple of extra adhesive pads, and a stainless steel looking strap. Got no idea what that's for, and a very light user manual. Yeah, so pretty big on accessories. And of course there's the camera itself, similar to GoPro. That might be what the spanner's for. Let's try it out. Boy, oh boy, that's on the keeps. Yeah, so that's generally a bit slower to screw and unscrew than a GoPro. One thing I do like about GoPros, it's just very simple to mount and unmount from anything. But hey, nothing wrong with this. Very nice, and they've got the shock absorption little rubber thing there. And there she is, the camera with a little getting started thing on the back. Instructions. Before we let go of the box, let's see what else it's got to say. So it's the Asako V50 Pro action camera. Specifications are integrated wireless network, adjustable view angle lens, remote control included, display 2-inch touchscreen, micro SD HC card which is not included, mounts and accessories are included in very generous proportions, I must say. Input and output mini USB. So that's what the cable is, it's a mini USB. Definition, native 4K. Video is 4K 30 frames per second, 2.7K 30 frames per second, 1080p is 60 frames per second. So obviously lagging a long way behind GoPro there, which go up to 240 frames per second for 1080p. Battery is 110 milliamp hour times 2, waterproof up to 98 feet. So GoPros once again are about 33 feet without the case, but with the case, yeah, that's about 30 meters, I guess. Wireless connection is yes, and multi-language is yes. Waterproof touch screen, apparently it's got image stabilization. Really keen to test that out. Yeah, so there we go, nice little packaging. Now, assuming you operate this similar to a GoPro, which you do. There we go, we can. Yeah, so there we go, it's a nice little unit. Take the lens cover off. Got my GoPro HERO7 Black here, so we'll see how it stacks up actually in size. So it's quite a lot lighter and quite a lot smaller too actually. It's well, 10 or 15% smaller in every dimension. Smaller, lighter, and its obvious difference is it's got a screw for the gimbal, tripod, whatever, straight on there. So in theory, I can put this straight onto my GorillaPod, which is quite useful. Although it's not going to be waterproof. Is it going to fit in my Payotech gimbal? There you go, folks. It looks like it's gimbal ready and everything. How good's that? So whatever the stabilization's like, doesn't really matter if you got this gimbal on it. Now my next thing is, can I put the Rode Video Micro on there? Or how? As far as little hatches and so on goes, we've got a battery compartment here. I can't actually see a 3.5mm jack, which is a little disappointing. Looks like nowhere to put in an external microphone. Seems to have one external microphone there and the bottom, another one on the top, perhaps another one on the sides. Hard to say if it's a speaker or a microphone. But yeah, overall, nice little rig. Keen to get it out, give it a go. Asako V50 Pro unboxing. Next we're going to go out and give it a road test. Alright, cheers, see you later folks. Don't forget to subscribe and watch out for the next video.